Right, this video is going to be about how to sort out your devices for sound and audio recording and output. Unless you've got a volume icon on your system tray, you've got to go into your control panel here, like I have, into hardware and sound, and then on the sound section click on manage audio devices. You'll get this little pop-up thing here showing your speakers, your recording microphone, and your different sound schemes. I haven't actually changed anything, and for example, if I wanted to disable this, I'm going to click on the speakers, go to properties, on the device usage section, go onto the drop down, click on don't use this device and disable, then click apply. Once I've clicked OK to that, it'll say no audio devices are installed, and I'll just be like, why? I've just disabled it, I haven't uninstalled it. With Windows, by default, it does not show any disabled devices. You've got to right click on here and check show disabled devices. Once you click that, you can see that you've actually disabled them rather than uninstalled them. If I turn it off, it says no audio devices are installed, just because the options are. Surprisingly, it doesn't have this as an options button, but hey, let's do it this way. Just go back into your speakers or microphone, click on properties, go back into the drop down, click enable, click OK, and there we go again. Job done. Well, that's it for this time. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.